Okay, we're gonna go check out this little Sanmiu supermarket, and then we're just gonna give you a little context of where we are. So we're kind of in this area called Flower City. You can see some of the casinos up there. Londoner, Venetian, Parisian is way over there as well. So that's the Cotai Strip in that area. And then Flower City is this, you know what, I'll give you more context of all this stuff in a minute. But we're gonna go check this out right about in a moment.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to show you that as well. Just to give you some context of the supermarket, there's all these apartment buildings everywhere, as you can see from here, and they overlook this little Flower City, which is kind of a cool little space. You got some bunny rabbits and things like that because it was recently Mid-Autumn Festival a couple days ago. So you got those there. And there's like turtles, there's a little skating area, lots of pagoda stuff to kind of hang around. And then you got all these apartments up here, tons of them. And they're all up above this Sanmiu, so there's a lot of residential people that'll come in, and also not too far from the casinos. So this is a pretty prime real estate area of Taipa. You got some restaurants like Canela over there, and this whole little space. There's a bunch of supermarkets, including one over that way, on the other side of Flower City. So a lot of times people will take this Flower City, and they'll come over this way to get off the bus just to go shopping. And we're gonna see what's in here. You got a little bit of a kind of a general area, so we'll walk through this first. I've seen a lot of different things come through this place before, different shops, but Sports 21 to the right is always there. This one is Miniso. That's kind of like a Japanese one, but it looks like Japanese, but it's actually from mainland China. It's a chain place. This is News 21, which has really low-priced shirts. So you can see 39 mop, 19 mop, 29 mop. That's about it's 8 mop to the dollar, so it's about $4. But I saw one for 19, which is about $3. So you can find shirts there for $3 to $5 American dollars, or 19 to 39 mop. This looks like a tofu place. And then the supermarket, Sanmiu. There's some other stuff up here too. There's a supermarket. I won't go into that one, but I'll just go up to it. Here's where you can do some. I think that's a. You can get packages from China through. There's a Taobao, so I think that's like a Taobao shop. Taobao, you can buy stuff incredibly cheap. So you can buy almost anything there. Furniture, chairs, clothing. You can order it. It's like almost nothing because it comes directly from China, from a lot of the factories. This is an express, so if you need to get passport photos or any kind of photo work for anything, you can get it here. G-Tone, that's more computer technical stuff. Let's see what else we got around here. You see, it's a little bit of a shop there. Looks like these might be kind of connected, kind of the same kind of thing. Let's just see what else we got. Made in Macau. So we got face masks here that say Made in Macau. Got it. This is a, I think it's a Japanese, yeah, it's a Japanese specialty shop. So they have all Japanese products in here. Yeah. Including Kobe beef, it looks like. Got a chicken restaurant here. Let's see. Hello. Let me see that one. I guess it's called Global Foods. Shabu. And here's a little Japanese standing sushi bar. So you can get some sake and sushi and things in here. And then we have a real estate place. good stock. You could buy some clothing for good prices in there. Let me see. Squid. Let's just see what they got here. Looks pretty tasty too. So you can buy some kind of and then you got a kick shop as well. And then on this side you have a little restaurant right there. So it looks like we'll come along this way. And now we got a little restaurant. And we're gonna keep on walking by Fei Chou. Now you can see this whole little area. It's like kind of like a little bit of a shopping place, so you can get out of the rain and get out of the sunshine or whatever you're trying to avoid. Another outlet store. So you got the clothing in the bags. That'll be really cheap. 69, 39, 20. Okay. And this one is looks like it's products maybe from here's a GoPro stuff. Okay. Medicinal shop. Okay, so let's go around the corner. Let's see, it's around this area too. Let's kind of show you what's all around here. So these are all our little areas everywhere around here. Another real estate, I believe. Got a florist here. You got kitchen. It's like they got duck and Maine rice, like that. Another real estate. More and more veggie. So you got like a veggie place here. And it's like a Japanese place, Tasu. And then if you go outside, you kind of have our main street out here, so all kinds of stuff everywhere around here. And you have all that on all four sides. I should have showed you the other side as well. So we're gonna walk back through here. And getting a little taste of Macau. Yeah, we're in Taipa, so we're in a place called Taipa, kind of near a place called Flower City. So it's Sanmiu supermarket, but a lot of people would just say Flower City. And we're gonna fade on out. Looks like they're building some new things in here. Even a fish tank in there too. Okay, so let's move on through. And we'll just come back out as quick as we can. There's our little discount shop. And we're gonna come back out. Quinella. It's a restaurant. Nice booths, right? And now we're back out into Flower City area. Back with all our tall buildings everywhere. So one of many supermarkets in this area, but this is probably one of the more popular ones because it's so well located, and you have that little thing in there. There's another one over there called another one in that building. There's a bunch of them all over here. Way down there is Taipa Central Park, and then there's the Skyway down there of Taipa, way down there. It's okay. That's this. And then you can see our casinos over there with Cotai, and of course Flower City over here. There's a skating rink for kids right there. Okay, let's end this one.
Toma cuentos la